Hello and a warm welcome on what is a glorious night for football. Perfect playing conditions. I'm Derek Ray, getting ready to bring you all the action, accompanied by my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson. And with the atmosphere really building up nicely, we should be in for a terrific contest. It's France, and they take on Real Madrid.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
Possession won, and France come away with it. Must take the lead here. Knocked it out of there. Attacking possibilities for Real. He's in with a chance. And a goal! Now they've broken through. 1-0 here.
As you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
And France get the ball moving again. Can they come up with an answer here? And he has options available. The clearance that was called for. So a throw in for Real Madrid. This looks more than decent. And the referee says penalty. And a chance for 2-0. Can he make it count? And throws it home. Well, his heart might have been fluttering, but he didn't show it. A goal from the spot. So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Bernardo Silva. Best. Hral. Just the tackle that was needed. Who can he play it to? But they dealt with the threat first. On the half-time interval, fast approaching, and it's so far so good for Real Madrid, certainly. Stuart, your assessment?
Yes, it's been a really energetic display from them so far. The passing's been sharp, the movement from the front players has been excellent, and the finishing has been clinical. They will certainly be happy going in at half-time.
The ball moving again, and Real very much in charge of this one. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Bernardo Silva. Making sure nothing came of it. Vinicius Junior. Vinicius. Oh, big chance. A goal! That's exactly what they needed. That should get them believing again.
It's a goal you'd expect him to score, but he kept his cool and he put it away nicely. He'll be happy with that.
30 minutes left for play. Very quick thinking there. Holland, it's got to be! And losing out, Iniesta. Opportunity here, and a goal it is for Real Madrid. They are on a victory course.
Well, that's a clinical finish. He just put his head down and smashed it past the keeper. There was no stopping that, was there?
So back underway, 3-1 the score. A quarter of an hour remaining here. They're just lacking that little bit of guile. Interception. Mbappe, might be a chance here. And how well the keeper did.
Well, that's just exceptional. He reacted so quickly there. Dominant in most aspects of the game, particularly in that midfield area, and they all